Hi, welcome to Maxxia's online sign-up video guide. This video will help you sign up with Maxxia and start enjoying the potential savings of salary packaging. To get started, you'll need a couple of things handy. Firstly, we need to know your employee number or payroll ID. Contact your HR department if you don't have one yet. Secondly, we need to know what your pay cycle is, either weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, and the date of your next pay. Thirdly, depending on the benefits you select, we may also need your bank details, so have these handy. If you don't have them, you can pause the video while you grab them. You can also save your application at each step, so that if something comes up, you can log back in later and resume where you left off. One final thing before we get started. You'll also note a question mark icon next to each field as you go through. By hovering over the icon, you'll get helpful hints and tips. Okay, let's get started. First, visit our website, maxxia.com.au, and click on Apply Online. On the Let's Get Started screen, the first question to answer is whether you've commenced employment. If it is no, you'll be directed to enter your start date so we can accurately calculate your benefits. If it is yes, you can then enter the name of your employer. For this example, we'll use Alfred Health. Next, your employment status, full-time, part-time, or casual. To proceed, you'll need to tick the checkbox as shown and then hit Continue. Next, enter your email address. Create a safe password and make sure to tick the I'm not a robot checkbox. Now click Start your application. You'll be sent an email validation link that you need to click. Once you've done that, you're underway. The About You page is the usual basic stuff. Simply complete the required fields and continue. The employment page will ask you for your gross salary, which is your pay before tax or any other deductions come out, your payroll number, which can be found on your payslip, and your next pay date, as well as your pay cycle, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. To make sure we correctly calculate your benefits and deductions, we'll need to know if your employment will end in 12 months or less. If it does, simply answer yes, and you'll be prompted for your leaving date. If your employment is longer than 12 months or you're unsure, click No. And if your employment circumstances change in the future, please let us know. The Benefits Overview page is a run-through of which salary packaging benefits you're entitled to, your options for allocating the benefits, how your salary packaging cap works, and some key dates to keep in mind throughout the fringe benefits tax year, also known as the FBT year. Once you've had a read, click Continue. Okay, so now we have your information, let's move to the very important step of choosing your benefits. As a health worker, you have up to $9,010 you can spend on certain expenses each FBT year. To make it easier, we've listed our most popular options: mortgage or rent, loan repayments like a personal loan, or the living expenses wallet. You could spend up to the full $9,010 on one of these benefits, mortgage for example. To do this, click on the benefit you wish to select. On the new page, under the box, you will see a maximum amount you can package per pay before the end of the FBT year. Entering this amount in the box will see you maximise your cap. We calculate this maximum amount based on the number of remaining pays before the end of the FBT year. For example, if you join in the middle of the year, we accelerate your deductions to help you maximise your benefits. At the start of the new FBT year, on the 1st of April, the amounts will be recalculated across a full year of pays. Alternatively, if you want to spread the cap across different benefits, you will need to allocate a portion of the maximum amount shown to that benefit. For example, if you wanted to allocate 50% of the $9,010 towards the mortgage, You would enter an amount that is 50% of the maximum amount. You would then select the other benefit or benefits and allocate the remaining 50% of your cap. We understand this is a lot of information, so remember, take your time. Once you've entered your chosen amount, hit Calculate for a summary, and if you're happy, hit the Add Benefit and Continue buttons. The information box at the bottom of this page will tell you how much you have left in your cap to allocate for this FBT year. Just remember, so long as you maximise the full cap, there is no additional financial benefit to splitting across different benefits. If you're a casual employee, you'll need to allocate your annual cap limit in a similar way. However, you will nominate a percentage amount each pay cycle for each benefit, rather than a fixed amount. The reason we get you to allocate a percentage is because the amount you are paid each pay cycle may fluctuate. This makes it tricky to request a fixed amount. So, you'll still click the benefit you wish to select. However, you will then need to enter a percentage of your pre-tax salary to allocate to that benefit for each pay. For example, if you want to allocate 50% of your pay for mortgage, just pop in 50%. Think of this initial percentage as just an estimate to get you started. You can always increase or decrease this number once you get into the swing of salary packaging to help you maximise your cap limit each FBT year. If you want to spread the cap across different benefits, simply split your estimated percentage across those nominated benefits. Next step is the Meal Entertainment Wallet benefit. In addition to your $9,010 cap for other expenses, you can also package an additional $2,650 on the cost of meals when dining out with others. To add this benefit, hit Choose Benefit and enter your chosen amount. You can package part or all of the $2,650, depending on whether you eat out a little or a lot. Just remember, the amount under the box is the amount you can package per pay to maximise the benefit. You can always start by packaging the full amount and reduce it to meet your dining habits later on. Once you've entered your chosen amount, hit Calculate for a summary. If you're happy, hit the Add Benefit and Continue. Next up is the Your Bank Details page. Your bank details are used to easily reimburse you for any salary packaging claims or other direct reimbursement payments such as mortgage, rent, or personal loans. Fill in your bank details. Take a few minutes to read the bank details declarations, and then once you're comfortable, tick the checkbox and hit Continue. Finally, here's a summary of everything you've told us. Read through this page carefully, and if you need to make any changes, simply use the Edit button within each step. Before you finish up, you'll be asked whether you have a HECS or HELP debt or receive any means-tested government benefits. If you're happy everything is correct, accept the terms and conditions by ticking the checkbox and hitting Submit. And that's it. Signing up online is the quickest and easiest way to start salary packaging, and you can start at any time during the FBT year and still maximise your potential savings. After you've submitted your application, you'll receive an email confirmation and it will be processed within 24 to 48 hours. Once your account is active, we'll email you a copy of your benefit summary, as well as your instructions to help you log in, view and manage your account via Maxxia Online and the Maxxia app. So, now that you know how it works, why not start your application today? You can use this video as a handy reference. Have a great day.